Kennedy, what bodamo? Only asabudi. Who are the same problem? We chassis what it? We chassis. I have some one bodamo party. Who saw I know Jimmy, who you been town, and I mean Oscar, and I'm Kennedy. Now what you taxi when New York and say they meet you. Kennedy, your baby mama is calling you. A traitor like you have 5 people in shows, a traitor and a tyrant like you. Obi wouldn't respect for any humanity. Won't have you Obi. Hey, so what Jimmy? For Jimmy free as a for Jimmy, and people will be very stupid to elect you as a flag bearer. It's a party for you with your microphone. And I mean, what's the car? Who can say more big Kennedy, thank you to Uncle Bawumia Kobi. Bawumia? And then thank you to na Kennedy nkobi nko jiniana. Saya mo samu di Kennedy ba grobi na wo ma adwini mu. Na abusia Afia Schwar aba react e wo Kennedy ohene Agyapong ne Abronye ensem bia na no da ekoso ma we to ma ne we na we so akoka we so ono wo sika de boa party no we so enya kokodrofo na edidi party na ni abusia ensem de na buburuja but Ghana for akasa ma Afia Schwar nso akasa kire mu se Kennedy sabi eburu onfa na asem nso so na abusia media ho details ni videos ni bi e de brewa mesre so ba no subscribe no share na abusia no atumi akoso ayekese na before me dey nsem no na se breakdown no e de ebebro no. This episode is really brought to you by Safe Shipping. Safe Shipping say men kan cho say o wa monone say eye US kwasi buru ni koko kroma wo ho adua wo ho wo niema bia opese o ship de bo man kronkron magana mu abeto de brebusuafo na mfofo dia fa niema no ko Safe Shipping aso ye ne mu an shipping bro man kronkron magana mu awate empanimfo say eye niema bi ti say kan na opese o ship home appliances electronic gadgets na opese o ship niema ye ship free amanone bo man kronkron magana man ye bia no fa niema ni nyina ko Safe Shipping aso ye ne en ship enfambro Penifo numbers na da o screen so nim penifo monkomo penifo say eye door to door pickup na opese ye yema o anase delivery ye nyina e wo maso ye form number no na enim penifo eni enkomo abusia yemra yensem so for the past few days ni ana MPP osno amanyoku new patriotic party no e de thank you to bi e ba say omo daga na mamuni nyina ase di aga na ya omo na no da December 7 for batwa ye to ye ne ye santo ti omo no penifo chirim so omo daga na mamuni nyina ase meno nam so penifo de ehon hyehye de aba ye wura Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia na edi party nanim a penifo kakran so eka no ho a ene thank you to you omo region by regional and na make us ekwansi se omo du takura dio se takura de ne mpotem a penifo ani abre papa se ne da screen so no na ne ensem no bebre na akoso ene ye du region bia so a na we akasa we so akasa but one of the regions no ensem bi say ana esiye ka se ma na nipa ntie arrogance ene de eduru ba bia ere ye duri region ha mo hu sa me tu me nan ko single constituency akoka kire obi se ye nto aba ma candidate bi mu hu ye mo amene mo tena da mu kura di mo sa me fro obi se to aba ma particular candidate but the binum de me din call ye campaign wie ye no omo wie ye no no ma konkran Abronye no na Agyapong campaign ayere ba no kura ne se omo ba mo ho campaign omo se Abronye ne soma mo omo se Abronye ne soma se ye meye campaign ko meboa eyese mo di ho adanse ye se ma miema no amfro obi a sa nkrofo no so omo ye sa di me din ba ayere e tena omo be ba mo ho. But this time no, omaye ma me buafu. Na mom mo obi nkodi obi atem. Ukodi do obi atem wie. Na so wie a, wo se yankoye a unity. I mean say unity no. Eye ayi mo ana mo kreti. Professor Makwe report. O se ye kwa abato a ensema ye ka no, eno na no andisi fo ye re. Eyusu tie. Na mom wo ya propaganda no obi be yi ano dia. Entna social media say who didn't panatem now ria wabakasa memfa wadamfo.
Media, I'm telling you the truth. Obia nye beman chobia. But party nti eni pebi to make kasa te so omo member. Omo nye member. A back contribution see any sika omo to me be mo kosesre. And they talk as if the whole world is for them. It's not for them. And yet like some of them cannot even speak the way they speak. Because bam fie kura wo fari ebi mo ya podcast ma wo mo on ba ron be too long. You see ya panokura mom yanka. I will not respect you, but may respond to enipa bi ayensa ka wo showdown enipa bi akoma wosoro ekasa ye pe memo party mu di anko mu ye ma minisa wo sika minsire sika mo here for promotion mu di kasa kokugudro so ye ne sika fo please who born dog number to me atoku anyhow who born dog number to me atoku anyhow kukuru sisi ya du ni so no ono so 2020
abusia na ensem ni bi no nti wotie video no mu din a Abronye dis ne di kan kasai ana ensem na no kana say ekuti abonsem bi na no katia Kennedy any party mpanimfo no bi Kennedy nso beje kasamu no obo awanfa Abronye ho anche no ono nso kasati ani bi kira ne se no ko we ejeme magana fo e de ababonti se there bi mu kwabo opposition enti this is the right time and kache so odo no e ba nso hwan yenye Kennedy ni Abronye ma after we ni nyina chi no kura I think so mo make it up magana fo ni nyina mu no o ma react na no na Ghana fo asan kasa won ma Afia Schwar akasa ichire mu se Kennedy di oni nani nhia oni nani nhia baako se na Afia Schwar ka chire mu se
anja kura ni battery days ana Kennedy Agyapong thank you to no mo ye na ba wumi na atuaka enti NPP executives munyina you need to step down munya mema moya munya baba moya ma me baba mama me ya de bi wecha mama me 2 minutes me the BBC so Kennedy Agyapong is not emotionally intelligent na wo ba kasa che nipa by heart Kennedy NPP no fa obi aduma wo mo said ya wo say sika wo no obi wo twen awia we twen wo ka say ya aduma ma wo you cannot bully anybody wo betimi akasa wetimi didi atem but wo bi ntimi nka ne bo so asem wo ba ma wo showdown wo am na be ma wo showdown let's wait ya betie ne finally na afi ya keja egu NPP mpanifo me hiam wo table yi so ene mi wo sika sen mo ba mi fia mo besu is this the flag bearer you want NPP for is this the flag bearer you want is this the tyrant you are bringing to Ghanaians I will not respect you mo ba mi fia mo besu ene sikantia Kennedy ene sikantia nkobia no ni asemo Kennedy, wusika woni la no, me dey sure so na feed Abronye. Ara na feed no. Enkofo feed wo no me do wechi no. Now you want to be a tyrant that wo kasa mo bi gami. One other preaching peace 30 seconds ago, you were preaching unity. You were preaching unity. Kennedy, yama usika wuso umpe position enti omo ma usika yama contract sefa sika ne be feedi food soldiers and wa pa musika na aso wo de ba be ye den wo de be president edi obi anka ye wuso pe unity obi anka ye na me pa cha Abronye asem na oka no wa be didi na tema na wa fa asem abeto ne so na no ma bi busa se NPP general secretary ne chairman dia na moye Bawumia and then to thank you to na Kennedy nkobi nko jini ana I want to find out nipa na wose woni Bawumia and snaka ba kumu nko campaign no otimi ne snaka ba kumu eko thank you to nipa na wose woni Bawumia and snaka ba kumu enko campaign no wo de ne ko thank you to ana what did they call thank you to ana? Say I'm di Kennedy ba grobi na wo ma adwini mu. Aya grobi because then revenge will play itself. And Kennedy no nyansa sebia. How can Kennedy go and stand up? Kennedy ne tia thank you to anko be ma ba wumi anko bi. Osika dia, oso osika, aye tia sika. Daddy Kennedy wo ko thank you to say one wo ko election ana. Kennedy Wakwa election. Why is Kennedy on Bawumia's campaign platform? Why? Obviously, You know, we all know that Kennedy want to contest Bawumia. Why? It was whose stupid idea? One stupid idea, no. It was whose stupid idea? Just every opportunity you people get, you try to set up Bawumia. And then I mean a boy and Abronye echo throw intelligent question that we all know Kennedy is not intelligent. All you need is to trigger his emotions to see how unintelligent he is. Emma you could yin the super in the head and I nesika me sika me wa and I me was sika massa was car got nothing. Obia was kind of a chinchina open Ghana sika die. Ah? Billionaire. J. Na chinchina pega na skedi. Ade na chinchina wo pega na sikedi. Enya party 7 a. Enya party 7 Kennedy obi nto wonchi awo because wonya asabudi. Mu the same problem. Enya party 7 a obi nto wona afidi obi. Na enya party 7 a. Enya party 7 a. Enya party 7 ko obi nto wonchi awo. Enti wo tna kan mu say thank you to that's been financed by Bawumia. Who could be? You have no shame. Kennedy. Going about throwing your weight about Peda Wabeti. Didn't Crawford. You have no shame. You have no shame. You have no shame. You are following the man you campaign against for his thank you to. In the name of I want unity, but I need platform to advertise my stupid agenda. You have no shame. I want to about Africa. Everything you're doing is it speaking unity or is speaking foolishness? Which is which? Never now we are speaking unity. In your mind, that is a unity thing you are doing. Accept the peer-free one, no. Exposing with childishness and your own intelligentness. And some Abronye can wabwa 2023 December and Wanka. Professor Michael Kwe slow and one molding. Now some Mokaya NDC for the year campaign. Kennedy, I have a voice NDC for the year campaign Kumase. You want unity, but you don't want people to speak up. You want to bully them. Or be funny the answer because Kennedy Abeka see and come home. What about them all? Now say won't run as Kennedy. You want unity, but you don't want anybody to speak up. It's a party for you. Are we your workers? Are we your children? Can you talk to your children the way you speak to MP before? No. Can you speak to any of your children like that? Are we your slaves? What are you? Party near the amount. Oh, my father na. Hey. What's your microphone? And I mean, what's the car? When I had the contract in Yama, yes. Oh, yes. When I had a contract in Yama, suffer Sikana Fidi, party food soldiers, Sikana White Kennedy. Food soldiers is Sikana wine, and one pumping out the also the bear president, and the promise round to be a swonka. One armor will be a who say. What their own position be a we a justice man and you saw a contract in the man who Kennedy and you see feed the party mano and one pumping scano some would have president over in your dreams president will be able to say now let me have an event I am wine I asked my second no cover to my wife. I asked my Usikano. Now people paying for more than Jimmy. No, Kennedy should get off from that thank you talk.
Arrogance. And the dear
I benefit. yen ferry mpono ene kosi saying na wa ye ba ufia ye ferry na wa nye party ntia Kennedy obi ahia wo MPP ni musa o obi ahia because you will lead us to what opposition. Kennedy, let's assume Ghana for a mistake to Obama. Kennedy, refugee your Kayana. Also, as a businessman, over president, over organizing We Are the World. Refugee, make Obama. But we can say arrogance of power. Number 2, the another Gabriel Chudakumu and Nasi can pay the les gens les paient de bouée. Non, on est rien. Les gens les paient de bouée. Non, on est rien. Diaba Umiaka and the end true. And before every parliament and the demonstration say, Yampamo can Tana. When the economy was going bad, the MPs, majority MPs, which is the MPP MPs, among the demonstration, see Yampamo can Tana. What did Nana do? Huh? Diaba Umiaka and Siana. And now my cocoa investigation when they're being shown. Baby, Pajobra, when they're being shown. When they're being shown. And Nuntino, Mobama Kennedy, but on the platform, so no one by heading. No one by heading. Motutu abani no motutu patro mo ka cha ba wumia moja ma pusi yire no moja boko yire no so nko ma pusi ma to kwansi mo ka cha ba wumia aka cha mu se 11 no enye sei na wo se ye no no dia na mo ye motherfuckers bi wan pa cho radio wa shwe it's as simple as the ABCD. Because party near the here for you. And here for money be on to be Mafie. And here for money be on to be Casawano. And here for money to be Mawanim. Or money do one way a party. And to say the one young win. As so open taxpayers money Kennedy. And people will be very stupid to elect you as a flag bearer. I'm just telling you. Even if they don't want Baumia, they can pick anybody but you. NPP as a party will be the most stupidest party ever existed. If intellectuals and Kofu party now who Kennedy, Bekanya answer someone as a Yankofa Alan Kashimra, Yankofa Alan Aba, and Yafa Fantono, Abesi was thrown up and Pem. You see, you are not smart. You pretend to be smart, but Kennedy, you are not intelligent up here. I'm telling you to your face. You pretend to be wise, but unfortunately here, and operation just here when you view. Alan Cash at Seneho, I could join the NDC, and then the boys, I could go NDC, and then the quote for I could support the NDC. NDC winning, you know. You will say the Alan in a dome a jubilate here. Alan we no on anti-co Joma. So what in a policy co supporting. Now could people platform so say Uncle for Alan Mecca and will say Alan Kennedy will do true one. And I would I did it true. You think the grassroots no ye kuma on. You people think about your selfish interest and your foolish money-making scam. Dear Alan, yet people before you know what to be called platform. So say Uncle for Alan, Emeka party no. Now when Uncle see a fool to sell, no more. When I'm Mobi at the sell, no more because they didn't see anything wrong. Obviously, so what Jimmy Asabia Senas Samoma. Kennedy Academy see that young comfort traitor Alan Cash and make a party no in the name of unity, but you cannot look at Abronye in the eye and tell him that my brother, I'm sorry. and some make a far when they no correct. Mr. Unity, you want Alan, a traitor like Alan, to come back to NPP, but you cannot look at your younger brother Abronye and admit, said the Abronye cannot, no correct. Who Kennedy, a dear contract, and do one farmer, a dear son, no one can for more, a dear son, and one can for more. Contract to Ben or one swam in that 8 years. A dear son, one can show more. I come for more. A traitor like you, have 5 people shows a traitor and a tyrant like you. Or be a winning respect for any humanity. Kennedy, your baby mama is calling you. So I know, dear, your baby mama is calling you. You had the audacity to call Nanado and his family names. Meanwhile, a real contract near the mouth. Yeah, the Mawa may be so in a style so. Yeah, the Mawa may be so in a style so. Street lights contract, why near the mano? Street lights contract, why near the mano? We need chassis what it. Would it chassis? I have some one about them or party. Also, I know would Jimmy, would you be in town? And I mean, Oscar, and I'm Kennedy. Now, what you taxi when New York and said they meet you. And then people now why here. Found Jimmy free as so called. Found Jimmy. And I am Oscar. And I am the Oscar. And then people now saw contract and also. Sika yes a former party many. What they are so true as now. Have the effrontery. What can cause your 7 year my position you know. Any time 640 million. 640 million Ghana cedis. More $4 Food soldiers is Canada show but on the campaign that would Jimmy now say you on top of Wonitwaasidi.
You are going your man. Arrogance. And the dear do baby Yedri. Raging her. You send me 2 9 quite single constituency. A cock. Mama. One quote, as a Kennedy, and I say, Quatia that will be a name. Our woman said, Timonka Drama and Uncle Momo Pan. And people, national executives, they should fucking go. They must all go. All of them. Yeah, what Bacasa men forward them for? Maybe I'm telling you the truth.
Party is why you have for Neko Tuaba. Party, no. Majority, Escafo party, Mumu 10%. Unfortunately, my team was the Escafo party, Mumu 10%. She wants you to know her chair is new. But this is not a new chair. So, so what about Damoa? So, what about Damoa? Kennedy Hospital in Dinechi. There's an old chair. To what about Damoa for Woodrow? Party, no. As a woman, almost new 10%. As a woman, Kennedy, almost new 10%. And then once obey here for president. And then obey here for president. Aden Kennedy, Aden before then, I would then a war more than your mouth. Now, who be did will be at them. Now we have a church of me per unity. Who be did will be at them. Now we have a church also per unity. Now unity now, my what's up did will be at them. My boy. Who be did will be at them. Who we have a per unity. Now you need to know, ma. What's up? Did you be at them? Master, fuck off. Open unity. This was the opportunity. This was the opportunity to reach out to your brother Abronye and show Abronye that you are a changed person.
Abusia na nsɛmni bi no na nyina mu nam sonfo dan kwasi princess ɛne wayɛ no adwuma na ɛbɛkɔ so de ani adi akyi de ɛbɛtɔfo bi aba no ɛbɛma hwɛfo ɛne atifo mesew so ba no subscribe na busua na tumi akosori kese na before meja amaya kono Charistic Company Limited is semen kanjo so mu no nwa so mo dia bedwa manso kwaji bi za me shane za age capsules no e mema dru brane e be mo gina so ma be ma wakwabwa ne ntofom kura odi oba okomtwi wa kanchima kompem sisi na wansa na egufuma zaman capsules be mo gina so brane na hindi e ba me sha no e ba malaria fever typhoid diabetes so blood pressure ne ade typhoid so wadru no zaman capsules no senam di kankan be yo ho adwuma na bibia atumi adimu na ndro ya maboboso yi FDA ahwema dia atumi se ye open duro to akofomasi Herbal stores onsa ebe company for endo ya maboboso yi bi e frame Dan Kwesi Prince Macrao